What is up, Light Fam? Welcome to another video. My name is David. I was recently working with a client that wanted to manifest a particular lifestyle, but at the same time was believing that a totally different outcome would be much more likely. And my immediate response was, so your desires are 5D, but your beliefs are 3D. We don't manifest that way, Light Fam. Let's talk about this one right now. Let's go. Before we get into the video, if you guys like my content, please remember to click the subscribe button. Also smash the notification bell. And remember, if you do have a question for me, go ahead and add me over on Instagram, _Lightways. I just might make a video topic out of one of your questions. Now let's get into the video. Do you have 5D desires with a 3D belief system? Well, what are 3D belief systems? They're BS. Belief systems. 3D belief systems are, I'm not sure I deserve that. That's not likely. That's not possible for me. No one in my family has ever done that. I'm not smart enough. Knowing my luck, it'll probably all go wrong. Life fam, I am here to tell you today that if you have the desire, then you hold the vibration to experience it. Deserve and worthiness have nothing to do with it. Now that vibration may be a tiny vibration at that moment, but as soon as you put some belief behind it, put some expectation behind it, put some intention behind it, that little vibration begins to grow and get stronger until that is the dominant vibration that emanates from your core. And now that vibration is able to go out into the universe and align with the people, places, and things that are a vibrational match so that you can share the same space with those desires. So whenever you have a desire, first examine your beliefs around that desire. Do you think that you will experience in your physical reality the vibrational equivalent to your words? Or do you think you'll experience the vibrational equivalent of your beliefs? Yes, words do have creative power, but without the right intention behind those words can't vibrationally align with their subject. Or more precisely, those words will align with whatever intentions are behind them, whether those intentions match those words or not. Here's an example. We all know that one person that prays in desperation. Oh Lord, please do this. Oh Lord, please do that. Well, desperation is the vibration, not receptivity. So how is that person asking? Are they asking from a place of need, of lack, of self-deprecation, of fear? Well, that's the vibration, and at that point, the words mean nothing. So what is the 5D consciousness way to manifest, create, or align with what you wish to experience? Well, we see that desire as an extension of ourselves, not as something separate that we need to figure out how to cajole to get. So we love that desire because to love something is to take it as yourself. So when you are loving that desire, that keeps you from putting it on a pedestal and making yourself a vibrational mismatch to experience it. So when you're loving and self-identifying as that goal, as that desire, it keeps you from falling into that deservingness and worthiness trap, which is just from social conditioning. So the 5D way to manifest is fearlessly trusting and believing in a state of gratitude and remaining open to whatever outcome the universe brings your way. Connected to everything, attached to nothing. The stronger you resonate with 5D consciousness or unity consciousness, the better that you will get at reading the energetic feedback from your physical environment. Meaning, there will be periods where the universe is overriding your desires because it has something much bigger that it's currently orchestrating for you. So oftentimes the universe will override your somewhat short-sighted desires coming from your limited perspective so that you don't get entangled with the lesser and you are available for the greater. Remember, the universe is in this with you because the larger part of you is the universe expressing itself through and as you. So obviously you as the universe would have a vested interest in making sure that you stay on the path to your highest good. When we're manifesting from 5D consciousness, we don't get distracted by the initial physical appearances that may be contrary to our desire. And if we do get distracted, one of the things that I like to say is, what do the signs say? This statement always brings my mind back to the present now moment and centers that monkey mind in a state of gratitude. So here's what I mean by that. If you're getting all of the angel numbers related to that specific desire, or whatever other creative synchronicity the universe uses for that specific desire, then you don't need to pay any attention to any of the physical appearances that may be contrary to that desire, because those confirmation signs, those angel numbers are telling you that you are vibrationally aligned to experience that desire. So angel numbers are kind of like an energetic barometer which tells you directly from the universe what you're aligned to experience. And since the universe is absolute truth, you can trust the signs. Trust the universe, hold that vibration, let go, and receive in perfect timing. I included an angel numbers chart in a previous video, which turned out to be pretty popular. So I will include it again here in a moment so that you can start interpreting the signs so that you have the confirmation that you need from the universe to stay the course, no matter what bumps in the road may pop up. And remember, when the road does get bumpy, to just stop, center your mind in the now present moment, and ask, what do the signs say? Alrighty, I'm going to give you the angel numbers chart right now. Please feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot. Now, question of the day. Do you have 5D desires, but a 3D belief system? And if so, how will you step into 5D consciousness? Leave those questions below, Light Fam. I would love to get an open discussion on this one. If you liked the video, then please like the video. Remember to have a look in the description box below. We've got the guided meditation. We've got some one-on-one Zoom coaching. Also, if you know anyone that has 5D desires with a 3D belief system, please share this video with them. It may give them the insight that they need to step into 5D consciousness and simply experience what they wish to experience. And I think that's it. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Light, love, and abundance to all that are watching and to all you love. Peace, guys.